Welcome back to another Test Stuff install tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to install our MagSafe door phone mount for the Model 3 Highland and the Model Y Juniper. All tools needed for this install are included within the kit, and by all tools, it's just one, this T30 bit. And we also include a handle along with an L shape as well, just in case your screw is super tight. You can use this to break the screw loose and then swap to this end to fully unscrew it. Getting started with the install, it's extremely simple. All you're gonna need to do is just unscrew the screw found up and underneath of the electronic door release button. It's actually not directly underneath of it. It's a little bit further up. Now, this screw doesn't actually hold this handle in place to the door, but you're just gonna reach up under there and unscrew. Mine's already loose here just because I just took it off, but yours will be a little bit tighter. So like I said, if you need to, just pop on this end. It'll give you more leverage with the handle to break it loose. But you're going to just unscrew. Once you get it out, it'll just pop right out. And you'll see here that, no, this does not hold the handle to the door. The handle is still attached. What it does do, however, is that when you take the screw out, the handle does shift down like just ever so slightly. So when you go to put the phone holder on, what will happen is that you actually need to take the handle and pull it up a little bit just so the holes realign so you can feed the screw through. So now just grab the phone mount. It only goes one way, as we've cut a mold here to where when it slots up, if you try to slide it in backwards, it's just not gonna work, and you'll very quickly see that. So this part right here, the part that extends up, goes toward the back, slide it up and in. You can wiggle it around and you'll feel exactly where it goes. Like I said, it only goes one way. From there, just hold it in place. Grab the slightly longer screw to accommodate for the thickness of the base here of the phone holder. Grab the screw that's included, feed it up, and then take the door handle, slightly shift it upwards, grab your T30 again and screw. I take it till it's about hand tight and then give it like a half turn more till it's really snug in there. Take your MagSafe head, unscrew it, put it on the ball, and you'll hear a pop. From that point, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Turn it to the right, tighten it up. Go ahead and shut the door and then maneuver this in place to however you want it. You just unscrew this little tension connector right here, which relieves tension, allows you to move this around, and then once you're in the spot that you want, just retighten, applies tension. The reason that we tell you to close the door first is because this can, if it's extended out like this, and you go to slam the door, this could collide with your dash. So bring it in first, shut the door, then adjust, and then you're good to go. I'll have both the Model 3 Highland and Model Y Juniper versions linked down below, as the two are separate. The Model Y Juniper one is a little bit longer here on the bottom just to accommodate the slightly larger handle. If you do have any questions, you can reach out to us at contact@teststuff.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.